On the high seas, off the coast of Spain, the stage was set for a clash of titans. The British fleet, under the command of Vice-Admiral Horatio Nelson, stood resolute against the combined French and Spanish forces, led by Napoleon Bonaparte's confidant, Vice-Admiral Pierre Villeneuve. The air was thick with anticipation. The decks of the ships echoed with the rhythmic clanging of swords and the rhythmic beat of drums. The British fleet, though outnumbered, was not intimidated. They knew they were the best trained sailors, their ships the most formidable. Nelson, a man known for his strategic brilliance and unyielding courage, addressed his men. "We are to engage the enemy at their weakest point. We must fight them as never before, as if the whole world depended on it, for it does." As the sun rose on October 21, 1805, the fleet set sail. The British ships, guided by Nelson's ingenious tactic, formed a line perpendicular to the enemy, a formation that would give them a superior advantage. The French and Spanish, unaware of Nelson's plan, charged headlong into the British line. The battle was fierce. Cannonballs flew through the air, shattering masts and ripping through the sails. The decks were slick with blood and seawater. Yet, the British ships held their ground, their discipline and precision proving decisive. Nelson, on his flagship HMS Victory, was a whirlwind of activity. He had a bullet wound in his arm, yet he continued to inspire his men, leading them in the thick of battle. His tactical brilliance was on full display as he ordered his ships to fire simultaneously, creating a wall of cannon fire that devastated the enemy. The battle raged for hours, but the British emerged victorious. The French and Spanish lost over 20,000 men, while the British lost only 500. Nelson's strategic masterstroke had secured a decisive victory for Britain, crippling Napoleon's invasion plans and securing control of the seas for the British Navy. The Battle of Trafalgar was a testament to Nelson's strategic genius and the courage of his men. It was a victory that would echo through history, a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who braved the high seas in the name of their country. Yet, the victory came at a cost. Nelson, mortally wounded by a sniper's bullet, died on his flagship, his last words a testament to his unwavering loyalty to his king and country. "Kiss me, hearty, I never feared death. I have only regretted that I have but one life to give for my country." The Battle of Trafalgar was a turning point in history, a victory that reshaped the world for generations to come. It was a testament to the power of strategic brilliance, courage, and unwavering loyalty, a legacy that continues to inspire to this day.